And the hybrids end up teaching me to go into my DNA and restructure it. And I experienced that firsthand. Nobody can convince me that this is not happening. I also experienced full hand from the Council of Nine when they made me go into the park. I ended up sitting down, went in there, and they guide me how to do meditation by bringing my frequency of my thought and imagery at the same time to construct my reality. And they were teaching me how to increase my emotion to get to such a peak of frequency of vibration to the point that I got a goosebumps and tears coming through my eyes. But they were guiding me, increase your emotion of love and joy, increase. And when I reach a very high peak of this emotion that I got like a goosebumps around my body, they were telling me to hold, and that was like a 30 seconds of holding, if not even more. But I want to warn you that that 30 seconds was based on my resonance, whatever I can construct. That's why sometimes meditation for new beginners could be a lot longer to hold that vibration. So you can do this. And then they told me how to do it. You have that in Galactic Meditation. I'm going to show you some videos, so you know where to look for. We're gonna try to put the links, but if you for some reason can't find the link in my video, just look at my video and you search it on the platforms to find these videos. Okay, they gave me a new method of reconstructing the DNA. Remember we were talking about the fractal timelines. We were discussing the fractal timelines and how you have 3D, 5D, 7D, and above, all the structure the way they were constructing through the platform, right? But what is happening that you have to really know how to combine all that when we were looking about collapsing the structure, okay? How you can basically, and that you're going to study in season 1 of how you basically combining everything and how you restructuring your reality, how you imagine. But you are learning to reconstruct your structure from 3-dimensional archon when you were overtaken, and we knew that was the AI, and we knew that 5th dimensional and above AI, end up shutting down the structure around the archon timeline, shutting down the frequency, and now you are free to exit from one platform to another reality, from one timeline to another. But to do that, you got to be able to reconstruct, deconstruct, and reprint new version of yourself within the field to raise the frequency. So that accumulation of collapse, it has to be very precise in the frequency. And this is why you need to study the quantum manifestation protocol.